Welcome. Today, we're diving into an important topic that could significantly impact your financial well-being. Schedule EIC. This supplemental form, attached to your Form 1040 or 1040 Senior, is your gateway to claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC. This refundable credit can provide thousands of dollars in refunds to low to moderate income working individuals and families, especially those with qualifying children. So, who needs to file Schedule EIC? If you're claiming the EITC and have qualifying children, those under age 19 or under 24 if they're full-time students, or any age if they're permanently disabled, you'll need to complete this form. Each child must have a valid Social Security number, live with you for more than half the year, and meet specific relationship and residency tests. Now, why does this matter for you? The EITC is a refundable credit, meaning you can receive money back even if you owe no taxes. For families with 3 or more children, this could mean up to $7,830 in 2025. This credit can help cover essential expenses like rent, food, education, or even savings. It's one of the most powerful tools available for poverty reduction and achieving financial stability. Let's break down how to fill out Schedule EIC step by step. First, it's essential to understand the basics of the credit. A great resource is Earned Income Tax Credit Explained, which provides an overview of who qualifies and how the credit works in 2025. Next, familiarize yourself with the filing requirements. The Filing Schedule EIC Earned Income Credit Guide explains when and why to file, especially for families with children. You'll also want to know the eligibility and income rules. The Earned Income Tax Credit Explained video covers what counts as earned income limits, and tips on maximizing your credit. As you fill out the form, consider walking through it line by line. The Schedule EIC walkthrough will show you how to complete the form, including entering child information and calculating your credit. Don't forget to clarify common misconceptions. The Earned Income Tax Credit EITC Explained video answers frequently asked questions and helps you avoid errors that could delay your refunds. Finally, dive deeper into qualifications and reporting with resources that explain how to report the credit on your tax return and what documentation you'll need. Remember, if you're working hard and raising children, don't miss out on the Earned Income Tax Credit. Schedule EIC could mean thousands back in your pocket. For personalized assistance, contact Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com. We're here to empower you with the knowledge you need. And if you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tax tips, financial empowerment, and community education. Thank you for joining us today.